Who is best qualified to replace President Biden? The media are name-dropping people like Vice President Harris, California Governor Gavin Newsom, and even Maryland Governor Wes Moore. But Vice President Harris is polling lower than President Biden. Both she and Governor Newsom may be too polarizing for an already polarized nation. And while Governor Moore appears to have charisma, he may be better suited to meet the nation's needs if he makes a run for office in 4 or 8 years. I want to entertain the idea of a different candidate for the President of the United States. It may be foolish and ridiculous to do so. After all, party delegates decide who runs for office, and the Electoral College decides who fills that office. But this is a democracy. Democracies are supposed to foster discussion and debate, are they not? My proposal is that retired 4-star Admiral William McRaven be nominated as the Democratic Party's candidate for President of the United States. The retired Admiral may not desire to take on such a consequential role in these tumultuous times. But good leaders are often called to leadership positions, whether or not they aspire to fill them. Egos of reluctant leaders may be better prepared to meet the political demand for equanimity. Admiral McRaven's potential reluctance cannot qualify him to replace President Biden as the Democratic Party's nominee for President of the United States. His track record of excellence, service, leadership, and integrity must do that. As a soldier, Navy SEAL, team leader, husband, father, admiral, strategist, and author, McRaven's resume is detailed in the opinions of his friends, family, and coworkers. Anyone can search pages of the internet or his books for the details. Having served admirably in the military for 37 years, in senior leadership positions under the Bush and Obama administrations, and in leadership positions in the private sector, Admiral McRaven has extensive experience addressing complex problems in stressful situations. Most importantly, he does not appear to be a man who desires to offload risks onto others. People who lead by example tend to accept responsibility for their actions and their people. McRaven does that.